Meditation versus self-hypnosis. Imagine you're standing at a crossroads, with one path leading to a tranquil garden of serene meditation and the other to a transformative workshop of self-hypnosis. Both promise a journey into the depths of your subconscious, yet each offers a distinct experience and set of tools. In the realm of mental well-being, the terms meditation and self-hypnosis are often heard but rarely understood. Are they two sides of the same coin, or do they stand worlds apart in their essence and practice? While both techniques aim to foster inner peace and delve into the subconscious, they do so through unique approaches and mechanisms. This episode will unravel the mysteries and clarify the distinctions between meditation and self-hypnosis, helping you discover which path might best suit your journey toward mindfulness and self-discovery. For a comprehensive guide to meditation practices and other resources useful in your wellness journey, please check out my blog post that accompanies this episode. Types of meditation. There are many types of meditation, some quite similar to self-hypnosis, while others are not. Both are impressive tools when used properly and consistently. When you think of meditation, you might envision a yogi or monk sitting quietly in solitude. Here are some personal examples. Sarah's story. Take Sarah, a busy professional who turned to meditation to manage stress. She found solace in sitting quietly, focusing on her breath, and letting her thoughts pass by without attachment. For Sarah, meditation became a daily ritual, providing calm and clarity amongst the chaos. Mariah's experience. Consider Mariah, a mother of 3 who embraced loving kindness meditation, or metta, to foster compassion and patience in her household. By silently repeating phrases like "may you be happy" and "may you be safe," Mariah cultivated empathy and reduced her stress levels, benefiting both herself and her family. Aiden's practice. Think of Aiden, a college student who used mindfulness meditation to cope with academic pressure. By focusing on his breath and staying present, Aiden managed to reduce anxiety and improve his concentration during exams. Linda's journey. Consider Linda, a retiree who adopted body scan meditation to alleviate chronic pain. By paying attention to different parts of her body and releasing tension, Linda found significant relief and a renewed sense of well-being. Self-hypnosis, an overview. What comes to mind when you consider self-hypnosis? Maybe a psychologist or the stage hypnotist who made your high school peers cluck like chickens. Personal examples. Tom's journey. Think of Tom, who struggled with public speaking anxiety. He explored self-hypnosis to reprogram his mind. By entering a relaxed state and using positive affirmations, Tom visualized himself speaking confidently. Over time, his anxiety diminished and he felt more at ease during presentations. Emma's story. Take Emma, an athlete who used self-hypnosis to enhance her performance. Before competitions, Emma would deeply relax and visualize perfect routines. This mental rehearsal boosted her confidence and focus, leading to noticeable performance improvements. James's approach. Imagine James, a software engineer who used self-hypnosis to overcome his fear of flying. By visualizing calm and safe flights while in a relaxed state, James gradually felt more comfortable and confident when traveling by air. Sophia's success. Consider Sophia, a young entrepreneur who employed self-hypnosis to boost her confidence in business meetings. Through positive affirmations and visualization, Sophia increased her self-esteem and successfully secured funding for her startup. These anecdotes illustrate how meditation and self-hypnosis can be tailored to various lifestyles and needs. Whether you seek the mindful tranquility of meditation or the targeted transformation of self-hypnosis, both paths offer valuable tools for enhancing your mental well-being. Key differences between meditation and self-hypnosis. Meditation, mindfulness, and non-attachment. Meditation often emphasizes mindfulness and non-attachment, allowing practitioners to observe their thoughts without judgment. Purpose. While it is possible to meditate with a very specific end in mind, most forms of meditation have a more gradual and general goal. This goal usually revolves around understanding the nature of the mind, mindfulness, and reducing the occurrence and influence of random thoughts. Attention. Meditation focuses on a fixed point or object, such as the breath, a spot on the wall, or a mantra. The goal is to hold your attention on this focal point. When your thoughts stray, and they will, the objective is to return your attention. You learn about how your mind works and how to focus more effectively. Self-hypnosis, suggestion and visualization. Self-hypnosis focuses on suggestion and visualization, guiding the mind towards specific outcomes or behavioral changes. Purpose. Self-hypnosis has a more specific purpose, such as quitting smoking or becoming more confident while public speaking. It is used as a means of making one more open to suggestions or affirmations. Self-hypnosis can also be used to overcome phobias, change your attitude about wealth, or to lose weight. It is often utilized to find a creative solution to a problem, such as determining the best plot twist for a novel or finding a solution to a complex dilemma in your life. Attention. Self-hypnosis frequently involves following a story, such as confidently navigating a social situation. The experience is the object of your focus. You lead yourself through an experience and gain benefits from that. With self-hypnosis, you can change your normal perception and perspective, experiencing something that might not be available to you in everyday life. Guided versus non-guided techniques. Guided meditation. Benefits. Guided meditation involves following a recorded or live guide who leads you through a meditative practice, often incorporating visualization and relaxation techniques. This can be particularly helpful for beginners who need direction and support to maintain focus and reach deeper states of relaxation. Guided meditation can provide structure and help practitioners stay on track, making it easier to develop a consistent practice. Unguided meditation. Benefits. Unguided meditation involves practicing on your own without external guidance. This can involve sitting quietly and focusing on your breath or using techniques you have learned. Unguided meditation often requires more discipline and practice, but allows for a more personalized experience. It can foster greater self-reliance and a deeper understanding of one's own mind and meditation process. Guided self-hypnosis. Benefits. Follow audio recordings or scripts that guide you through the self-hypnosis process. This can be particularly helpful for those who are new to the practice or need structured guidance to achieve deeper states of hypnosis. Guided self-hypnosis provides a framework for relaxation and suggestion, making it easier to focus and achieve desired outcomes. Unguided self-hypnosis. Benefits. Use self-hypnosis techniques independently without external guidance. This approach allows for more flexibility and personalization, but requires a solid understanding of the techniques and more self-discipline. Unguided self-hypnosis can be tailored to specific needs and goals, empowering individuals to take control of their mental processes and self-improvement. Benefits of meditation. Meditation can be used to quiet your mind, enhance your ability to focus, and decrease the tendency to ruminate. Meditation has been around for thousands of years and is very effective. Stress reduction. Meditation has been shown to lower stress levels by promoting relaxation and reducing the production of stress hormones. Improved focus and concentration. Regular meditation practice can enhance your ability to concentrate and stay focused on tasks. Emotional health. Meditation can improve your emotional well-being by increasing self-awareness and fostering a sense of inner peace. Better sleep. Many people find that meditation helps improve their sleep quality by calming the mind before bedtime. Enhance creativity. By clearing the mind of distractions, meditation can open the door to new ideas and creative thinking. Benefits of self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis is a more surgical tool for dealing with the challenges in your life. Whether you want to increase your confidence, lose weight, quit smoking, or get over your fear of heights, self-hypnosis can be a powerful tool. Behavioral changes. Self-hypnosis can help you reprogram your subconscious mind to achieve specific goals, such as quitting smoking or overcoming fears. Pain management. Some individuals use self-hypnosis to manage chronic pain or discomfort by altering their perceptions of pain. Anxiety and stress relief. By entering a deeply relaxed state, self-hypnosis can help reduce anxiety and stress levels. Boosted confidence. Positive affirmations and visualizations during self-hypnosis can enhance self-confidence and self-esteem. Enhanced performance. Athletes and performers often use self-hypnosis to visualize successful outcomes and improve their performance. Creating a calming environment for meditation and self-hypnosis. A serene and inviting environment can significantly enhance your meditation or self-hypnosis practice. Setting the mood with calming scents and ambient lighting can help you relax and focus on your practice. Techniques of meditation and self-hypnosis. Meditation techniques. Mindfulness meditation. Focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment. This practice encourages present moment awareness. Loving kindness meditation, or metta. Cultivate feelings of compassion and love toward yourself and others by silently repeating specific phrases or affirmations. Body scan meditation. Gradually pay attention to different parts of your body, releasing tension and promoting relaxation. Guided meditation. Follow a recorded or live guide who leads you through a meditation practice, often incorporating visualization and relaxation techniques. Unguided meditation. Practice meditation on your own without external guidance. This can involve sitting quietly and focusing on your breath or using other techniques you have learned. Self-hypnosis techniques. Progressive relaxation. Focus on relaxing each part of your body, starting from your toes and working your way up to your head. Visualization. Create vivid mental images of your desired outcomes, reinforcing positive changes in your behavior or mindset. Positive affirmations. Repeating empowering statements to yourself, such as I am confident or I am in control, to reinforce positive beliefs. Deep breathing. Use deep, rhythmic breathing to enter a state of relaxation and focus your mind. Countdown method. Mentally count down from a high number to 0, with each number bringing you deeper into a relaxed, hypnotic state. Guided self-hypnosis. Follow audio recordings or scripts that guide you through the self-hypnosis process. This can be particularly helpful for those who are new to the practice or need structured guidance to achieve deeper states of hypnosis. Unguided self-hypnosis. Use self-hypnosis techniques independently without external guidance. This approach allows for more flexibility and personalization, but requires a solid understanding of the techniques and more self-discipline. For more additional product recommendations, check out my blog post that accompanies this episode. Call to action. Both techniques can work very quickly in some people, while others may find that weeks or months are required to see real benefits. If you think meditation or self-hypnosis might be beneficial for you, why not give it a try for a few months? Track your progress and see how it affects your mental well-being. Share your stories. What has been your most significant benefit from meditation or self-hypnosis? Have you faced any challenges or obstacles while practicing these techniques? How did you overcome them? If you're new to meditation or self-hypnosis, what are you most excited or curious about? Let's create a community of support and learning where we can share our journeys and help each other grow. Your experiences and questions can inspire and guide others on their path to mindfulness and self improvement.